Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Welcome to another session of our course regarding electrical diagrams. Today guys, we'll be discussing some points, very important points actually, regarding different segments of electrical diagrams that could be quite helpful for us when it comes to analyzing them. Well, as you can see in the image guys, electrical diagrams electrical schematics consist of four main parts, so four main components. Again, you can see these four components in the image. They are symbols, lines, words, and numbers. Now, through combining some of these main components, we can actually get some side components. To elaborate on this, for example, when we combine words and numbers, we can get side components such as device tags, wire tags or wire labels, and also electrical abbreviations. Alright, now let's go through some examples regarding these. Take a look at this diagram here. Now, in this diagram, we actually got so many components. For example, we have symbols. Let me try to mark them out for you. All of these are examples of electrical symbols. See, when we say symbols, we're in fact talking about these items. Also, we got lines. Now guys, the thing about lines is that they might appear differently, like they might have different patterns to them, which is exactly the case, or which is exactly what's going on, what's happening in this current diagram of ours. Now, as I said, words are another type of main components that we can actually see here. All of these are examples of words as main components. And the last main component, the last type of main component that we can see in this diagram would be the numbers. Let me also mark the numbers for you as well. And yeah, guys, basically these were some examples regarding all the main components that we can find in an electrical or a wiring diagram. However, we're not done yet. Earlier in this very session, we said that through combining these main components, we can create side components. Like, more specifically, we said through combining words and numbers, we can create side components such as device tags, electrical abbreviations, and also wire labels. Now, we can mark these as an example for device tags. Okay. And after that, let's see what kind of electrical abbreviations we have. Like in this tag that we got here, the letter Q or the letter S would stand as an abbreviation. What else? Up here we have LP. And, basically that would be it. Now, let's see what we have for wire labels. Yeah, wire labels, aka wire tags. Now, as an example, we can mark this out. And yeah, guys, that would be all for now. Basically, these were all the main components as well as side components that we can find in an electrical diagram. And later on in our future sessions, we're going to talk about these more completely.